Hey Chris, here's my Git in 60 seconds. Might be longer, but I got Git on everything. So let's go on the Smashbound site. This is the way I use Git the most. I always do a Git status. I want to see what the status is, um, and anytime a file changes or anything, that's what Git status is going to do. That's actually a shortcut, Git xt, because I put the color thing. So here I'm like, okay, nobody changed any files or anything, but here's some new things. We don't always commit everything. Sometimes you've just got backup files and things like that. And it's okay to leave things here if you know you actually don't want them. Like if the server crashed, you need to rebuild it. If you don't need it, then it's fine to leave it there. But anyways, let's do. I'll do a file that won't affect the site itself. But let's say like someone was working, and Kevin does this a lot. He'll like go and change some files or something. HTML gets updated, and then I log in and I go Git status. I'm like, oh, that's a bad example because that one wasn't in the Git repo. Let's try. Let's try this file. Just in case this actually would break something. Let's say like new something, and you go into core. Fix. I like changing comments when I'm just testing like this. But anyway, so you log into the server and I do a Git status and be like, oh, there's 2 files have changed. This happens all the time. And I go, this is the first thing I do, git diff, file, copy paste the file name, and I can see exactly, you can see right here what exactly changed. And I do the same thing on a config file and things like that, and I see something change. But I realize those are dumb changes. I actually don't want those there, so I can just do a git checkout. It's going to be more than 60 seconds, but hopefully it's super valuable. And bam, git status, nothing's changed because they're gone. I reverted them back to what it was. If I type git log, I can see all the commits, like who made them, what they did. This is also why it's really good to look at, to comment things well. But if we do a commit and everything breaks, and I want to say, you know what, I think this commit that I just did broke it. This is a little more advanced, but I can actually check out a whole commit. See that? Now I'm actually, the files that it's running are whatever was before that last commit. I'm not on a branch, but if you type git branch, we only have master. So I can go and come back now and check out master, and now I'm back to the current thing. You can run git pull as many times as you want. There's no harm in it. Only harm is if you're already up to date, and that's what we want. You want to do that frequently, and then when you've made commits and things like that, you want to do a git push. I know you're using your code, but sometimes some of these things you can't really do with your thing. So especially git status. So the git status, that's a big one. Git status and git diff and git checkout. Those are 3 things that you probably don't use very much that are super helpful besides commits and adds and stuff like that. So there you go. That's good enough for